Yo, what's up, everyone? It's 10 a.m. and I'm playing Minecraft. Good, good, good day. Thank God I'm unemployed right now. But yeah, we're gonna hop on the game. Should I get into Bev fight? Like, no, New Bev is kind of boring, bro. Like, I should probably be like playing something else. Whatever. I don't know what Ela series. Nope, this pack sucks. I don't know what Ela series. This is now. Forgot. But I got a bunch of packs. I just got a Zephyr's pack folder because that like fire. There no one's on game. See, I'm number one right now on the daily. No, I'm not. Fuck. Oops. Oh yeah, I lost that one person. Okay, let me queue EU. I was about to get number one and then I got lost. Lots of people on EU today. Okay, we queued to go choose Jang. Yeah. Uh, oh my gosh, yo, holy lag, Jesus Christ. This person's a million elo, and I have none elo. Oops. Yo, I was gonna booty. Oh my gosh. See, that's why this is. I don't fucking know what I was gonna say. Let me jitter click. Come on. Yo. Come on. Come on, Disay. We all Disay sometimes. Oh my gosh. I increased my sense by a little bit. Now everything feels slightly better, I guess, but my pods are a bit weird, that's all. I think I have like higher sense on Minecraft usually, because this game doesn't need precision. Like look how big the target is. Oh my gosh, y'all gonna eaten alive. Yo, I woke up at 11 p.m. yesterday. I've been doing that too much. Like I go to bed like really early, like 3 p.m. and I just fucking have horrible sleep schedule. But yeah, I really think I should be quitting this game in like a month, but probably not, because I'm a fiend for the craft. I don't know how much Elo series should I make, guys? Y'all should decide. No, I gotta eat. Okay, bear. Whoa. This guy's the block hitting demon. Yeah, what if like MMC just never ended the season? Like it just kept going. I don't know. MMC, like the new season used to be like so cool, and it would be like every like few months, like very frequently. But now it's like every year there's a new season, and it's like making me mad, sort of. It's just like it's like they're putting in less effort in the game, you know, like they don't even care about their player numbers anymore. Like what? Okay, I'll give him a pot. Alright, GG. 4 and 4. Wow, he got one more hit. That's cool. This pack was fire. Let me win this. Let me win this game. This person has 2 million elo. Okay, we can get this. Yeah, I like play a lot of unranked, but I just don't like playing ranked. Unranked is pretty fun still for me, but ranked is just not it. I don't know why I like unranked so much. I can't like pretend to be better than other people. It's just more fun to me. I know I got like banned, so all my stats reset. I don't know why they reset my unranked stats too when I get banned. Didn't know that was a normal thing, but I guess it's just like a me specific issue, I guess. Like, do they do that for you guys when you guys get banned? I don't know if you guys get banned. I got a real crafter audience who play this game. Bro, I really gotta learn how to do that blockade thing. Like, I know how to do it, I just like really don't have the energy. Alright, yeah, we quick dropped another person. Bro, I like the quick drop guy. Oh my gosh. Yo. Alright, one more game and then I'm off. Just a quick Elo series. We're gonna try to run this and then I'm gone. Oh, same guy. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm an asshole. Fighting jumpers are so awkward. Like, you just never know what's gonna happen. GG. There we go. It's my phone. Yeah. Hold on. See you later.